Hi everyone, I'm Tamrik Ranji
AWS Cloud College Champ Leader.
and Fascinating Cloud Builder. I focus on building real-world solutions using AWS. And today, I will explain how AWS Lambda works in practical applications. AWS Lambda is a serverless computing service that always has to run code without managing servers. Instead of setting up infrastructure, we just write a code and AWS automatically handle executing and scaling. Here the architecture. The user send the request through API gateway which trigger AWS Lambda. Lambda processes the request and interact with other services if need. AWS Lambda works in a event-driven models. When a request is received, AWS Gateway triggers the Lambda function. The function executes the logic and return the response automatically. This diagram shows how AWS is triggered and how is the response flow back to the user. Everything happens automatically without manual intervention. AWS Lambda offers serverless advantages. No service management, only pay for what you use, automatically scaling, and fast deployment. This is the complete serverless workflow from user request to API gateway to Lambda to finally the database. This shows how AWS service works together to build scalable application. AWS Lambda helps developers focus on building solution instead of managing infrastructure. Thank you.